Hello friends, my name is Richa, and today in this video I'll be talking about marking criteria in your IELTS General Training Writing Task 1. In this video, we'll discuss in detail the 4 parameters of the marking criteria in your IELTS Writing Task 1 in Journal Training. The 4 parameters are task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource or vocabulary, and lastly, grammatical range and accuracy. The first is task achievement. And it is all about that you mention everything in the task and write at least 150 words. You make the purpose of all your letters absolutely clear and use an appropriate tone or voice throughout. So here you need to analyze the question and identify the correct tone of the letter, be it formal, informal or semi-formal. Let's understand the task achievement by looking onto a simple example. You paid a refundable deposit when you rented an apartment. You left the apartment in good condition, but the landlord won't return your deposit. Write a letter to the landlord. In your letter, explain why you are writing, ask for the return of your deposit, and inform the landlord of possible legal action. As you can see, there are 3 parts in the letters. First, it gives you the background information on what you should include in your letter, and then it asks you to whom you need to write the letter, followed by the 3 bullet points which you need to include in your letter while fulfilling the task achievement criteria. Second is the coherence and cohesion, and it is all about that you follow a logical order and the paragraphs that should be separated according to the content. That means you need to link the sentences as well as the paragraphs with the words like however, therefore, moreover, also, furthermore, etc. You need to identify the right language according to the tone of the letter. Now let's understand the coherence and cohesion by taking the same example. I begin my letter with the greeting, then I wrote my introduction paragraph, followed by the detailed paragraph 1, detailed paragraph 2, then I wrote my closing sentence, and lastly the appropriate greetings. You need to identify the greetings as per the tone of the letter. In the introduction paragraph, you actually introduce yourself and give the background on why you are writing the letter. And in detailed paragraphs 1 and 2, you actually write all the information given in the bullet points in the question. Our next parameter is lexical resource or vocabulary. For a high band letter, you need to show that you have a wide or flexible range of vocabulary on any type of letter. That means you are capable of using less common words and phrases, and you are able to show that you know how these words fit together. Well, in case of 7-band letter, you can make a few mistakes with vocabulary, but try your best to be accurate while using the words. The next parameter is grammatical range and accuracy. Here, you need to show that you can use a range of sentence types and word orders. You can have a simple sentence, but it should be coupled with the complex sentence, compound sentence, and other conditional sentences. Then you should always avoid making mistakes in majority of your sentences. And lastly, use all the punctuations, for example, commas, colons, capital words appropriately. Again, the choice of sentence types and the punctuation will entirely depend on the tone of the letter. If you find the content in this video helpful, then don't forget to leave your feedback in the comment section below. Also, you can reach me on fb.com/unlockielts with Richa. And for more such videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook.